So hey guys, I'm Samuel. I'm part of the media and publicity team of the Skill Migraine Solutions, and I just want to give us a quick tour around the Discord server. And this is our new community server, and this is where we'll be hosting most of our stuffs. And I'm going to give us a quick tour around it and have us understand because a lot of us have not really used Discord before. So it's still like WhatsApp very well, but it's kind of much more focused in a community-based way. Instead of having multiple WhatsApp groups, we have one server that has multiple channels inside, and we could do all the things that we could do on WhatsApp in there, but actually even better. So I'm just going to give us a tour around it, and I hope this tour will make us understand what some of the channels I have set up can be used for. So when you're coming into the Discord server, most of us will start here at the um, here. This channel is actually meant for just a brief of what SMS is about. You can see our vision, our values, and everything we are about, and what we are promising. And hopefully, this particular video will also be pasted here in this channel so that anyone that comes in can see this video and can be able to go through Discord and understand it. So we'll have our rules. Our rules will be dropped here anytime from now in the rules channel. So each of these channel have their own role. Like the welcome channel is just majorly when people are coming in and just to welcome them generally. But you can't really chat here. These are no places meant for chatting. We have the announcement channel where and every of our major announcements will be placed here. So you don't miss any of the announcements in a long chat. You can just see the announcement anytime you want to see what's the latest announcements. This channel here is for us to choose a niche. Now, just in case you have not already been, I believe from the beginning when you were coming into the Discord, you might have been assigned a niche on from the Discord server itself. But if you are not assigned a niche, based on the setting, you could still choose a niche here directly. And if your niche is not available in this list of niches that I put here, you could DM any of the admin or any of the executives who will get it done for you. So by God's grace, we're also going to have this server that will be where our courses, every of our course videos or every of our course links will be placed here. And this server resources will be where there will be a lot of our resource stuff. So these are just the major servers for info. This first set of servers, I say servers, sorry, channels. These are called channels. So these channels are actually meant for information. So here are our general channel. So this is the main general channel where we'll be chatting. This is where you could make your discussions about your skills and what's going on. And I advise you to always come here every morning and greet everyone and see how everyone is going. So this is our major general channel. And so if you need any specific help for anything, this server will be used for helping in terms of your skills or anything. You did need a specific help, you could always drop it here and you get a reply from someone. This channel here is for voice notes, where we'll be dropping any voice note. Instead of plugging voice notes in the main chat, we could have a separate channel for that. So we have this set of channels here, which are for skill migrant special things. So, we have some special programs like the Skill Shift Challenge. This channel will be where we'll be running those kind of challenges here. Instead of mixing it up with the main messages, everything will be specific here so that people could go around and go back through them. We'll have, when we are doing our book reviews, this channel is where we'll have book reviews. Like channels like this are actually what they call forums where you post threads. So whatsoever books you see a book and that is being dropped here, and you see comments down here. So the more we get it, the more. Right now we're just starting up this channel, so that's why everywhere is TMT. We have this channel here which is for the We Go Loud program. Once we start that, we'll make use of most of all these channels very well. Now, every one of us has a specific niche. So once you are assigned a niche, you find out that these niche channels, will be available to you, but only to the specific niche that you have. So if you're a graphic designer, you only see a graphic design niche. You might not see the rest of the other niches that are down here. But if you are a graphic designer and also a programmer, you will see graphic design and a programmer niche. So the graphic designers can come here and be talking about graphic design specific skills and everything. The programmers and the tech guys can come here and talk about their own specific things so that they can be able to build their growth specifically without having to distract other people in their other skills. So we have video editors, we have music and instrumentalists. This is their channel. This is where they talk about their music, they talk about, they share knowledge, and they share their passions and everything. So we have the hairstylists, agriculture, writing and poetry, public speakers, teachers and coaches. We have the traders, we have the voice artists, or could be also like the voice voiceover artist actually, or something like that. So that's what these channels are for. So they are majorly for niches. Now this set of channels are majorly for our jobs, like the when I mean our freelance jobs as skill enthusiasts. So for example now, if there was a job application at which you wanted someone else, like you felt that someone in the skill migrant community might benefit from a job post, you could post it here and someone could find it and apply. So it could help. We are helping each other here to make sure that we leverage our skills. So maybe there's someone that is a graphic designer and you saw a job post for a graphic designer. You could post the link to that job post here so that every graphic designer in the skill migraine community can take a advantage of it if they really wanted to. So this channel here is for job posts. This channel here is for victory. So whatsoever success you have been able to make in your skill, in your niche and everything, you will post it here. Make sure you if you got, maybe you got a new client, or you've gotten a new job, or now you've gotten an amount of followers on your social media platforms, you could drop it here so that everyone could see it and get motivated and understand. You drop it here and drop it how you're able to get that victory so that everyone can be able to see what's going on, and it will help everyone to be able to be motivated as time goes on. We have a looking for work channel, which means like you are specifically looking for work. Maybe you're looking for work as a writer, and you're looking for a job employment. You can drop it here. You don't know if someone has a link, or someone in the skill migrant community might actually want to even employ you for a particular reason. So he sees that you're available. You can drop it here that okay, I'm looking for a job role. So this is where you drop that. Work showcase channel is majorly for us to showcase whatsoever you're doing. Maybe you're a fashion designer, you snap a picture of your the dress that you designed and you want to show it off, let everyone see the marvelous works that you're doing. So this channel work showcase is meant for that. Showcase whatsoever. You are required to showcase anything that you're doing, from your tech stuffs to your trading views to anything. You could showcase it, snap it, let us see what you're doing. Your branding now, like this channel is meant for branding, so you show off your brandings like your logos, your channel profile picture and everything. Those are part of your brandings, and it speaks a lot to your customers, and we value brandings a lot in skill migrant. So make sure you show off your branding so that you could get feedback. You could get feedback from people that have much more expertise in it, and be able to let them, and they can be able to let you know, okay, this is good, this is wonderful, or this needs to be changed. So we have another channel for accountability. Let's say you have goals that you want to be held accountable towards. Maybe you are doing a daily challenge, you want to be posting every day, and you want us to keep you accountable towards it. You can make use of this accountability channel. Assets and tools is majorly for anything, any resource that you feel that any other person could benefit. Maybe it has helped you, maybe something that a YouTube video, or a link to a particular post or something, or maybe a link to inspiration or something that you feel every other person can be benefit from. You could drop it here. Like our coach Joshua dropped a CV here, how to apply for the CV, and he dropped it here so that anybody but one that needs a reference to how to apply, how to write, prepare a CV, you could see something like that here straight up. So he did that here for us, so we could do that. So here is the social media area. This connect tab specifically, I would really love us to be using it very well. Now, this one is you're posting whatsoever, it should be skill based. Maybe you posted something on any of your social media platforms, maybe Twitter, Instagram, or LinkedIn or something, and you posted something about your skill, and you want us to see it, the post that you posted on Instagram, and you also want us to help you engage in it so that it can help broaden your reach, help your engagement, because that's how social media works. The more engagement it gets, the more the social media algorithm wants to share off your whatsoever you've done to other people, so which will help clients and other people that would love to see your work to see it. So you could share the link here in the connect tab, in the connect channel, and we could see it. Like here I just gave an example. I'm a video editor. I did a video edit and I shared it on my Twitter and I showed it here so that anyone of us can see it and click on it and see what I've done and like it and comment on it based on it, so that we could engage each other's posts on each of the social media so that we can build ourselves. Don't just post things, also engage other people's posts at the same time. Don't just be posting your links. So it's very important. So these other channels, the YouTube, Twitter, and everything, Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, and LinkedIn, these are where you drop your handles so that we can be able to know your social media handles and follow you. So if you have a YouTube channel, drop it here so that we can follow that channel, especially if it is skill related. If you have a Twitter handle that is skill related, drop it here. Let us follow you. We are helping each other. We are a community. We are building ourselves. And social media is a major way of exposing yourself in terms of your skills. So we have Facebook, you have Instagram, you have LinkedIn. So just post in your handles, majorly your handles in these channels, so that we could have everybody's YouTube handle that is on the community, and you don't need to start searching for someone else. You could just come here and find his handle and get it. So we have the voice channels generally. These are where we'll be doing a lot of voice talk. Like the general voice channel is where anyone can just come in and just you can just hop in here and other people can come in and you people could just be discussing. Maybe both of you are doing, maybe I'm working on my laptop and someone else is working on something else, and we're just discussing, we're having a chat, we're having a voice. You can do more. Like, one good thing about Discord is that multiple can be in several voice channels at the same time. It doesn't affect the whole voice. So I can be in this general voice channel, another person can be in this one-on-one voice channel. I might end up adding like three other hangouts channels that people can just hang out and be gisting generally outside of the general channels. We have the live session voice channel, which will be used for most of our live feeds, like that. So whenever we are having a live event, in which we are teaching something or something, we will majorly use the live session channel. We have the inside the skill set, sorry, um, channel, voice channel, which will also be used for our program, which is called the Inside the Skill Set. So we invite someone up to be from the community to speak about his skill and how far he has gone. So this is where we'll be running that program. We have the one-on-one in case you just wanted a one-on-one discussion and you didn't want another person to join in the discussion. The onboarding voice channel is also used for newbies. The community that is in charge of orientation would usually be the ones having a one-on-one chat here with people that are just coming in new, asking them how their skills are going and other questions like that. So this could be used. This other voice channel will be used for game nights. So whenever we're having game nights like that, we'll use these voice channels. So make use of each of these channels as much as you can. Hopefully, by God's grace, these channels will be getting better the more we use them. And the more you use Discord, the more you get used to it, and the more you love it. It's actually a very wonderful way of running a community. We have admin channels, which you might not see majorly if you are not an admin or you are not an executive. Most of the executives might only see one channel based on the one they are used. Like me, I'm an admin, that's why I'm seeing everything. But most of the admin might just say, okay, if you're a media executive, you might just see just the media channel here. You might not get access to the orientation team. Everyone has their own way, channel for chatting and communicating between themselves. So this is just a brief overview of the Discord channel. If you at all have any questions or have any contributions towards any of this, make sure you DM any of the admins or any of the executives. Just let or me personally, you can DM me or you could DM Joshua, could Joshua, about any problem you have with the Discord. We'll fix it for you. Gradually, we'll get used to it, and by God's grace, this year we'll make use of this Discord community to the full length of this advantage, and we'll be able to run every of our things here. So thank you very much, guys, for understanding this whole Discord stuff. If you have any questions, let me know. I think that will be all for this briefing. So thank you very much. Peace out, guys.